Think about all the seconds and minutes you leak every single day just staring at your phone screen while you wait for things to happen. You are standing in line for a bagel, or you are sitting on the train, or maybe you are just avoiding the laundry on a Sunday afternoon. Most of that time is a total wash. But there is a corner of the internet that wants to buy those moments from you for a few cents at a time. I am talking about the world of rewards platforms. Specifically, I mean the giant in the room that people have been using for years to scrape together extra spending money. It is called Swagbucks. If you have ever looked for ways to make cash online, you have seen the name. The whole premise is built around points they call SB. The variety of ways you can stack them up is actually kind of wild. You could be taking surveys about your favorite snacks. You could be watching short video clips that play while you do something else. Some people even just use their search tool to browse the web like they normally would. Every now and then, a few points just drop into their account. It feels like finding a nickel on the sidewalk every few blocks. It is not going to change your life, but you are also not going to leave it lying there. The real meat of the platform comes from shopping through their links. You go to buy a pair of shoes or some household supplies. Because you click their button first, you get a percentage of that purchase back in points. It is basically a digital version of those old mail-in rebates. Then there are the games. You download a mobile game and reach a certain level. Suddenly, you have a pile of points waiting for you. It sounds easy, but you have to be careful. The biggest hurdle is the survey disqualification trap. You spend 10 minutes answering questions. Then the screen tells you that you are not the right fit. You get nothing for that time. It can feel like a total gut punch. You have to have a thick skin and a lot of patience. This is not a career. It is not even really a side job. It is a slow, steady crawl toward a gift card or a small deposit into your PayPal account. It is completely free to sign up. That is the only reason I even give it the time of day. If a site asks you for a membership fee to earn money, you should run away. This one is legitimate. It has paid out hundreds of millions of dollars over the years to people looking for a way to monetize their boredom. You just have to manage your expectations. If you go into this thinking you will pay your mortgage, you will be miserable. But if you want to pay for a movie ticket once a month, you will be happy. It turns the mindless parts of your day into a tiny stream of revenue. You are already on your phone anyway. You might as well see if you can get a free lunch out of it. Just keep it in perspective. It is a slow burn, but for millions of people, those tiny rewards are worth the effort.